Wow.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are going to unbox and flip through the Superlunaris deck. So this was highly requested. I'm super excited to dive into it. It's 78 cards, a luminous and expressive reworking of the Rider-Waite system with an energy and life force of its own, designed for personal development, transformation, and empowerment for all. So I will link where you can purchase this down in the description box below. I am not affiliated or sponsored by this deck. I purchased it myself. But speaking of purchased, before we dive into the deck, I just wanted to show you what it came with. So first of all, it was packaged beautifully. I did not have any issues. The packaging of the deck itself is intact, but look at what else it came with. So they were super sweet and sent a beautiful candle, tea light candle, has some flower petals and maybe some herbs. So that was super nice. Then we have their own sticker here. Cute, and my favorite of all, this cute little Bob's Burger Griller tarot card. I absolutely love this so much. That is going on my water bottle for sure. Then we have the Fortune Teller Miracle Fish that has a little index here of what the fish means when it does certain things. So you open it up and you put it on your palm and it does all these wonky things. So it curled all up, and so that means passionate. So wasn't that just the cutest thing? I remember having one of these when I was super little. And then there was a beautiful postcard picture thing here with a handwritten note from Jess and Jacob. So that was really sweet. I really enjoyed the little extras here. That was definitely not expected, but with that being said, let's move into this. I'm loving how it is packaged because it is concise, to the point, and there is not much excess. And then it is magnetized here with a hinge, which is phenomenal. And then we have this little mini booklet here, which gives you all of the key wording to each card here of the minor and then of the major. So this is quite awesome that it just comes with a little something here. If anything helps at all, right? So then let's dive in. All right. Oh, look at the back. That is so pretty. And then can we just talk about the edges real fast? I have never seen a rose gold edge, and I didn't know how much I needed it until now. This is amazing. Look at how beautiful those are. All right, and then it is a matte cardstock. Very nice. It's sturdy yet thin enough to where it's going to be easy to shuffle, at least I bet. So that is exciting to see too. All right, let's dive in. Already it's not borderless, so no gloss either, which is a preference of mine to have a matte deck, just because I film and I don't like to see reflections or fingerprints. But there's no borders. We've got a number up top. We've got a title down below, and it is stunning. I'm loving this little Eddie dog over here. Fantastic. We still have a lot of the same symbols. Ooh. I really like the photo kind of realism here. It's done in a really neat way that's almost like Jenna Delagradia's artwork. This is really cool to see a more mature woman, and then we have the trees used as pillars instead. I really like that. Ooh. We have got like Garden of Eden vibes going on, and I'm loving this. It is so vibrant and beautiful. Oh. Nice. Nice. Was not expecting that. The colors are just gorgeous. Sorry, my thumb was blocking. Ooh, that's a different take. I like the duality here too. Okay, first of all, instead of horses, we have dogs, and I'm all for that. And then second of all, this woman is in a wheelchair. That is something like I have not ever seen outside, I believe, of some Oracle decks. I could be wrong, but you almost never see that. That's awesome. Gorgeous. There's the Hermit card. This one's neat. My dogs just joined us. That's a cool Justice card. Ooh. Awesome Death card. Okay, I really like that. Yeah, the artwork is totally reminding me of Jenna Della Gradia in a really good way. But like its own style, but it's very similar, if that makes sense. Ooh. Okay, I really like this rendition. Wow. This is what I'm going to refer as hauntingly beautiful. Wow. I like that too. That reminds me of the, is it the George Washington Monument? I don't know, I'm horrible with my own country's monuments names. Stunning. Ooh. Oh, cute. That's a cool take. Nice. All right, let's get into the minors here. So we're at Wands. So you'll notice there's no like two of Wands. It's just the numbers. So that might be a little harder for beginners to get the grasp of, but I'm sure once you start using it a little bit more, it'll become second nature. That was the 3, right? Yeah. Cute. Love it. Nice. Ooh. It's interesting that they're arrows. Okay. Very happy. Oh, we still get the black kitty cat. I like finding the black kitty cat in the Queen of Wands. I don't know why it's a thing. It's a thing for me. There's the salamander. I love it. Okay, we have cups. Yay. That's interesting. Huh. Yes. We have different sized bodies. Love that. This is amazing. I really, really like the renditions here. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's a cool one. Normally it's like there's the Eight of Cups is more nighttime scenes. Generally, I should say, not normally. So that's interesting to see more of a daylight. These cards really do feel good in the hand. They're not sticking together. They're sliding really nicely. I don't know why his face is giving me like, he's so sure of himself. That's what I'm picking up on his facial expression. He's like, yes, you know you want this cup. Very cool. I see a lot of representation in this deck, a lot of different body types, a lot of different ethnicities. I am just really over the moon with how diverse it is. I'm really excited about this. This is an independently made deck too, so again, props. It takes a lot of hard work to put together your own deck, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. And I feel like they're really nailing everything they set out to do here. Oh, I like this. Very cool. Interesting. Huh. They definitely make you feel things too, which I'm very appreciative of. It's one of those things where I want the deck to make me feel some kind of emotion with every card. I just don't want to like... to me, that makes me connect to it more. Hopefully that makes sense. Having the emotional connection. That's very cool. What a different Queen of Swords. I like this brush stroke here. Wow. All right, Pentacles. This is really cool too. That graffiti in the background. Look at all of that. Wow. Oh, they added an owl. I love. Very cool. Aww. I like the sitting down, taking time with the Knight of Pentacles, because it is a very slow and steady energy. It's nice to see the different takes on the Knights as well throughout this deck. Oh my gosh, stunning. I need that dress. Stunning. Oh, wow. Look at that. I love this. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Not bad. This is a really comfortable shuffle. None of them are sticking. They're all gliding really nice. All right, so we're going to read for the world, since it does have a little book here. It's just so stunning. All right, so the majors back here. The world. Fulfillment, attainment, completion, a great understanding, the closing of a major spiritual lesson, the end of a phase and the start of something new, the dance of being completely in tune with the universe and all forces of life. Awesome. Stunning. So there are no reversal keywords or information here for the cards. However, like with any deck, you can get your own books to go along with this to help you out, as well as you can find some resources online too. So if you need a little bit more, you can always go online for that, or get yourself a really nice tarot book. That being said, your intuition is going to be a major key player in any card deck you use. So whatever you feel when you look at the card and whatever you're picking up, that's what you should be putting down, right? With that being said, this deck meets all of my expectations. It's not only gorgeous, but it's inclusive, it's diverse, it is beautifully illustrated, it has enough information in the guidebook to help you through, to help you along, and get your start. I am living for this rose gold edge. I love it. It goes so well with the back here. I'm impressed with how they packaged it. It's well worth it, in my opinion. The quality is there. This is probably going to become one of my new favorites, because I can already see myself using this for almost any client, almost any reading. It's just stunning. So now, my friends, I would love to know what your thoughts on this deck are. I will link, like I said, down in the description box where you can purchase it. I believe it was $45. And then with shipping, it made it $57 and some change. It's shipping and tax. So in my opinion, for an indie-based deck, I feel like that is well worth the price tag. It's just stunning. It's gorgeous. And I cannot wait to hear your thoughts on this. So with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. So sorry for the shakiness. Oh my goodness. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for hanging out with me, you guys, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.